Hey everyone, if you look here, that's where the aluminum kept on flexing during the nor'easters and then broke. So I think the box was 8 feet long to accommodate the panels. And so that's not one piece. They've got one piece here that's 8 feet, and then they had a smaller aluminum piece that attaches to the rail that the door slides on right here. So this is one piece. This is number 24. And you can see the head of the bolt slides into the rail for the door and then it goes into two holes. So the aluminum there, although it's got a couple of bends in it, and the rail is split right there to accommodate the door because that's the center where the two sliding doors meet. If that rail was one piece, or if they made that rail sort of similar, maybe, no, you can't do that because the door, the wheels would get stuck. So the center there is the weakest point. It was just that aluminum. If you would put like a reinforcement bar right there, heavy gauge metal, that would have probably helped improve that, or the additional bracing that other people add. But what I purchased was like for $6 from Home Depot, a piece of aluminum. But I'm going to have a piece of wood up there anyways to frame the door. Yeah, so I'll have this also, this piece of aluminum. And what I can do is slide the head of the bolt through those the slot in the back of the guide, the rail for the door, and put a number of bolts in there. I have some extras. I can slide them in just from the center there. I mean, that's basically what you do with those two right there, and you had the pre-drilled holes already for that section. So I could add some more, maybe just two more, right at the bottom of the support for the top side polycarbonate. Perfect. So that turned out pretty good. You can see where I bridged this break here. I could get another piece of aluminum and put it across here, but I'm going to have the top of the door frame underneath this, and then I could put some wood screws into the top of this, into the wood. But that's another option. There's also additional reinforcement here, another bar on top, because it's still, it now has the original bend that the greenhouse comes with. This is a weak spot. You have to take conduit and start putting it across from one side to the next, and then some angled conduit to that to hold in, keep the front of this being pushed in when it's high winds. But yeah, that worked out pretty good. So this is New England gardening. At least I can put some of the polycarbonate panels back, and I can get back to working on the wooden door frame. Thanks for watching.